member of your batch 62 to also give us a special message. Person who pursued a career in entrepreneurship. Please welcome Mr. Conrad Martin.
Fellow classmates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I prepared this short speech just a few hours ago when I learned that I'll be forced to speak before you tonight. This year, 2012, we are celebrating the golden anniversary of our class, the Quirino High School class of 1962. 50 years have passed since we graduated from high school, and what a journey it has been. 50 years is really a milestone, and it is a reason for a big celebration like this. Unfortunately, some of our classmates will not be here with us for this joyous and special occasion. There are some faces that I saw for the first time today, and what a very pleasant experience to see them again after all of these years. We had our 40th class reunion in 2002, and it was held at the Quirino High School campus. In 2004, we had a mini reunion in Las Vegas, organized by our classmates based in the US. Just last year, 2011, we had another mini reunion by way of a Mexican cruise. Again, this was organized by our classmates based in the US. But this year, 2012, is the big one. I'd like to thank also the organizers, as mentioned by Roylo, who did a good job in making this occasion a very successful one. I would like, therefore, to offer 3 cheers to the Quirino High School class of 1962 in this momentous occasion. Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray!
Thank you, Conrad. Our next to give another